In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a PDF file in email. So what you first need to do is open up your web browser and you will have an email provider that you're going to send it on. I use Gmail, but you might also use Outlook. Nonetheless, I've opened up the web browser and I'm going to go to Gmail in the top right hand corner. And that will take me into Gmail, and from here we can go ahead and send the PDF. Now, of course, to send the PDF, you also need the PDF file. So I have it on my computer in the downloads. Now, what I can do on Gmail, I can go ahead and click on Compose. Then I can go ahead and enlarge this. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and write the email. So first we'll enter the recipient. So enter in their email and then a subject. I'm going to put PDF file. Then what we can do is we can go down to the attach file icon, which on Gmail will be at the bottom. You'll be able to find it on any other email provider. That will open up your file explorer, and from here you can go ahead and find your PDF and then click open. Then write any additional message in the body here. Wait for the PDF to upload, then go ahead and click on send. Now that email has been sent and the recipient will be able to download the PDF attached.